Anchorage Digital launches stablecoin issuance platform in U.S. Imagine a world where digital currencies are as stable and reliable as traditional ones, but with the added benefits of blockchain technology. That's the vision Anchorage Digital is bringing to life with its new stablecoin issuance platform, launched specifically for institutional investors in the United States. But here's where it gets truly groundbreaking. This platform is the first of its kind, backed by the regulatory might of the U.S. Office of the Comptroller of the Currency, OCC. Anchorage Digital, known for its leadership in the crypto banking sector, is positioning itself at the forefront of this innovative space. The journey begins with Ethena Labs, a pioneering player in the stablecoin market. They had already introduced the USDtb token to international audiences, but now, thanks to Anchorage Digital's platform, USDtb will be minted directly in the US, setting a new standard for domestic stablecoin issuance. This move is particularly significant given the recent passage of the Genius Act, a legislative milestone that broadens the OCC's regulatory reach to encompass non-bank entities in the stablecoin industry. But here's where it gets controversial. The Genius Act has opened the floodgates for other major players in the field, including Ripple, Circle, and BitGo, all of whom are now vying for similar national licenses. This raises interesting questions about competition and regulation in the crypto space. How will the OCC balance innovation with consumer protection? And what does this mean for smaller, less established players in the market? Anchorage Digital CEO Nathan McCauley emphasized the importance of clear regulations in fostering a stable and trustworthy environment for digital assets. The Genius Act, he said, empowers federally regulated institutions to seamlessly integrate into the stablecoin ecosystem. This statement underscores the company's commitment to transparency and regulatory compliance, which are crucial for gaining the confidence of institutional investors. To put the scale of this venture into perspective, consider that USDtb, launched at the end of 2023, already boasts a circulating supply exceeding $1.45 billion, according to Etherscan data. Furthermore, Ethena Labs secured a substantial $100 million investment to support the token's expansion into the U.S. market. These figures highlight the growing interest and potential of stablecoins in the financial landscape. As we navigate this exciting new era of digital finance, one thing is certain. The future on stablecoins is bright, thanks to initiatives like Anchorage Digital's platform. But what do you think? Are you optimistic about the role of stablecoins in the future of finance? Or do you have concerns about their impact on traditional banking systems? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Anchorage Digital and Ethena Labs launch first Genius Act compliant stablecoin. Imagine the landscape of digital finance shifting dramatically with the introduction of the first stablecoin fully compliant with the Genius Act in the United States. Just days after the legislation was approved, two prominent players in the financial world, Anchorage Digital and Ethena Labs, have come together to launch a groundbreaking stablecoin called USDtb. This digital dollar not only sets a new standard for U.S. regulatory compliance, but also opens the door for broader institutional involvement in the stablecoin market. To put it simply, USDtb becomes the first stablecoin to emerge under the Genius Act, establishing a new benchmark for compliance in the United States. Ethena Labs will issue USDtb through Anchorage Digital Bank, the sole federally chartered crypto bank in the country. This collaboration is significant because it aligns with the stringent requirements set by the Genius Act, which includes strict reserve, audit, and licensing guidelines. Since the Act's passage, the stablecoin market has seen a surge of over $4 billion, reaching a total valuation of $264 billion. This new stablecoin represents a crucial milestone in integrating crypto innovation with federal policies. By adhering to the Genius Act, institutions can now confidently participate in the stablecoin space, ensuring security, transparency, and compliance. Ethena Labs, known for its USDE and USDtb offerings, boasts a total value locked TVL of over $6 billion, making it one of the leading USD-pegged crypto issuers globally. Backed by industry giants like Fidelity and Franklin Templeton, Ethena Labs is well-positioned to navigate this evolving regulatory environment. Leaders from both Anchorage Digital and Ethena Labs emphasize the importance of trust and compliance in this collaboration. Nathan McCauley, CEO of Anchorage Digital, highlighted the necessity of a robust regulatory framework for digital dollars to thrive in modern finance. He stated, "We're proud to support Ethena in bringing their product to the U.S., helping deliver even greater transparency and confidence to their partners." Guy Young, CEO of Ethena Labs, echoed McCauley's sentiments, expressing optimism about the future of USDtb. He believes that regulatory compliance will enhance the confidence of both parties and users, thereby expanding the stablecoin's reach. Young also pointed out that working with Anchorage Digital provides the essential foundation needed to scale USDtb effectively. The Genius Act has indeed breathed new life into the stablecoin ecosystem. Here's a closer look at its key provisions. 2 regulatory options. Stablecoin issuers can opt for a federal license or operate under approved state programs. State oversight. Smaller issuers with less than $10 billion in circulation can be regulated by states, subject to federal committee approval. Strict reserve requirements. All stablecoins must be fully backed 1-to-1 by cash or short-term U.S. Treasuries. No rehypothecation. Reserve funds cannot be lent out or reused. Monthly audits. Independent audits are mandated monthly. Executive accountability. CEOs and CFOs must verify reserve reports. Non-security status. Stablecoins used for payments are exempt from SEC and CFTC regulations. These measures have sparked interest among major financial institutions. Bank of America, JPMorgan, and Citigroup have all expressed intentions to explore stablecoin issuance, signaling a significant shift towards mainstream adoption. As the stablecoin market continues to grow, Anchorage Digital's Genius Act compliant launch served as a model for other issuers looking to operate within the U.S. But here's where it gets controversial. Some critics argue that these regulations may stifle innovation in the cryptocurrency space. Others believe that the Genius Act strikes a balance between protecting consumers and fostering growth. What do you think? Should the government play a more active role in regulating stablecoins, or is there a risk of stifling innovation? Remember, the journey of USDtb is just beginning. As more institutions join the stablecoin race, we'll see how these regulatory frameworks shape the future of digital finance.